So guys, I'm going to make a small video about how you can go live on Instagram. It's pretty easy. Firstly, just open up your Instagram account. So now on the top, if you see your story, you need to click on that. Now if you see the bottom of the screen, you will have normal mode. You will have to switch to a mode called live. So now you can click on record. So now it will check for some connection and there you go. That's how you go live on Instagram. You can record as much as you want, after which you can just look on top right corner and click on end. It will ask for a confirmation, then you can end the live video. Then you get an option to share it to your story as well. So thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. And just as a bonus, I am giving you a free blogging tutorial completely for free where you can learn to make money online completely for free. Go check it out guys. Don't miss it. Thank you.